Good morning, children. Welcome to our next session, English Lesson 3 of the Earth. We completed few exercises and now we are going to do the word power. Textbook page 29. See the exercise, children. First one is match, M-A-T-C-H, match the words to make pairs of opposites. You are getting some words here, then you are getting in one box, you are getting some words. Day, next earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth. Next front, F-R-I-E-N-D, front. Special, S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special. Morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. Everything, E-V-E-R-Y, every. T-H-I-N-G, thing, everything. Interesting, I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T-I-N-G, interesting. These are the one side words you are getting. The next side you are getting that S-K-Y, sky, D-U-L-L, dull, U-G-L-Y, ugly, N-I-G-H-T, night, E-N-E-M-Y, enemy, E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Next, N-O-T-H-I-G, nothing. Then ordinary, here match the words to make pairs of opposites. You are this side you are getting one words and next side you are getting the words opposite of these words. Then we should make the pair. Then day, here you are getting dashes here. We should write there. Day. What is the opposite word? Night. Day, night. You should write here, children. Day, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Second one is earth. What is the second word? Earth. Earth opposite sky. Earth, sky. Earth opposite sky. The next, number 3, friend. Friend opposite enemy. Friend opposite is enemy. Then number 4, special. Special opposite ordinary. Special, S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special opposite ordinary. O-R-D-I-N-A-R-Y, ordinary. Number 5, what is fifth one? Morning. Morning, evening. Morning, evening. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Number 6, beautiful. Opposite is ugly. Beautiful, ugly. Beautiful opposite ugly. U-G-L-Y, ugly. Seventh one, everything. Everything opposite nothing. EVERY, everything. Opposite, nothing. NOTHING, nothing. Then eighth one, interesting. Interesting is dull. Interesting, dull. Interesting, opposite, dull. These are the opposite words, children. See the question. Match the words to make pairs of opposites. Day, earth, friend, special, morning, beautiful, everything, interesting, honest. Sky, dull, ugly, night, enemy, evening, nothing, and ordinary. We made the opposite words here. Day, night, earth, sky, friend, enemy, special, ordinary, morning, evening, beautiful, ugly, everything, nothing, interesting, dull. These are the opposite words, children. Second exercise. The question is choose, CHOOSE, choose the correct, CORRECT, correct word, WORD, word to fill, FILL, fill in each blank, in each blank. The question is, first one, granny, GRANNY, granny told us a dash. You are getting the options: STORY, story, then STOREY, story. Question is, granny told us a story or story. STOREY, story, STORY, story. Story is a grandparents tells us story. Then story means buildings. Okay, high fill buildings. That is only so. STORY, story. This is the correct word. Granny told us a story. Okay, the next number 2. Some students, SOME, some students, 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 dash. You are getting the options: said, told, said, told, stories, about their names, about their names. Here the question: some students dash stories about their names. Answer is told, TOLD, told. Some students told stories about their names. Then number 3, Nalini, NALINI, Nalini was named, NAMED, named dash, dash, brackets, on or after the lotus flower. Here Nalini was named dash the lotus flower. What is the name of Nalini? The same meaning is lotus flower. Lotus flower means Nalini, the other word. So Nalini was named after AFTER, after the lotus flower. Then next, number 4. It was raining and a strong wind. Raining and a strong, STRONG, strong wind, WIND, wind was dash. Options: RUNNING, running, blowing. Question is, it was raining and a strong wind was running or blowing? Vehicles are running, but the wind is blowing. So what is the correct answer here? Blowing, BLOWING, blowing. Okay. Then the fifth one is, he dash saw or looked, SAW, saw or looked, LOOKED, looked. Options: at me and smiled. Here, he dash saw or looked at me and smiled. So means I saw something there. Here, looked, someone is looking to me. So the answer is looked, LOOKED, looked at me and smiled. Here the exercise is, choose the correct word to fill in each blank. Granny told us a dash, story or story. Which is the correct one? STORY, story. Then some students dash said or told stories about their names. The correct answer is TOLD, told. Some students told stories about their names. Third one, Nalini was named dash on or after the lotus flower. The correct word is after. The sentence is, Nalini was named after the lotus flower. Fourth one, it was raining and a strong wind was dash, running or blowing. Correct word is blowing. The sentence is, it was raining and a strong wind was blowing. The next, fifth one, he dash, options, saw or looked at me and smiled. The correct word is looked. The sentence, he looked at me and smiled. This is the second exercise, children. The third exercise is write, WRITE, write. Here the names, NAMES, names of some boys and girls. Some boys and girls that you think are of the earth, Here the question is, 3 dashes we are getting. See the question, children. Write here the names of some boys and girls that you think are of the earth. In the lesson it's described that the Megha-pushpa is of the earth name. Isn't it? Megha, clouds, a flower from the clouds. Okay. Same way we should find some names that should be some boys or girls. Here we are getting the first name is Daisy. D-A-I-S-Y, Daisy. That is a flower name, and we are putting the girls also. Then next Kusum. Kusum also it's a flower. Kusum means flower. Then Lily. That is also flower's name. Then these are girls' name. Then we should find some boys' name also. Prithvi. Prithvi means earth. Prithvi. Prithvi means earth. Then Neeru. Neeru means water. Water also is of the earth. Then Pavan. Pavan means air, wind. Okay. Then Sagar. Sagar means ocean. Then Prabha. We can write some. Prabha means a rays. We are getting the rays from the sun. Then next Dharidri or Dharani. See children, these are the names. See the question once again. Write here the names of some boys and girls that you think are of the earth. Here we are getting the example Daisy. Then second one is Kusum, Lily. These are the girls' name. Then it's of the earth. Then Prithvi. Prithvi means earth, Neeru, water, Pavan, wind. Then Sagar. Sagar means ocean or sea. Prabha means rays. And Dharani. Dharani means earth. These are the exercise, children. Write these three exercises, word power, in the textbook. Complete it in the textbook and write in the classwork and homework book also. Thank you, children.